This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change and optimize storage in Windows 10. To begin, navigate to your computer settings and find the system category. Understanding your storage landscape is the first vital step to maintaining a healthy and fast computer. We will walk through several practical methods to free up space and keep your system running smoothly. These simple adjustments can make a significant difference in your daily computing experience. Once in the System category, click on Storage in the left-hand panel. Here, you will see a detailed summary of your disk usage, broken down by file type and category. This visual representation helps identify which areas are consuming the most space, giving you a clear starting point for optimization. For example, you might see apps and features taking up several hundred gigabytes or temporary files consuming many gigabytes of data. This overview is crucial for targeted cleanup. To free up immediate space, click on Temporary Files within the storage settings. Here, you can select and remove items like previous Windows installations, system error memory dumps, and old update files that are no longer needed, often totaling many gigabytes. Furthermore, enable Storage Sense to automatically delete temporary files and content from your recycle bin every 30 days, ensuring ongoing maintenance without manual effort. This proactive approach keeps your system lean. You can move installed applications to another drive if you have one by going to Apps and Features in Settings, selecting an app and clicking Move. This is particularly useful for large games or programs. Additionally, change your default save locations for new content. In Storage Settings, select Change where new content is saved to direct new documents, music, pictures, and videos to a secondary drive or even an external drive. This prevents your main system drive from quickly filling up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.